Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the size chart of a particular product on the Efootwear application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now you should tap on the shop icon down below, which is the second option. Then choose a category and a subcategory as well. Select a product that you are interested in. Scroll down till you find the size chart option and click on it. Here you are going to see the size chart, including the size, insole length in centimeters and your foot length in centimeters, and then hopefully it will help you to decide which size you would or you should purchase. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.